got some sky blue, some green, some gold powder, some teal, and some white. Give it a nice stir, mix it around, have a little fun with it. It'll set and you'll be able to take some nice photos and such. Hey, I like to swirl through the middle. Get each color decently, but try to leave some of it left. Mix the middle and try to get the edges, but let the middle expand. It takes a couple minutes sometimes. Mix the edges as well. Swirl through the orange, blue, green, pink, and yellow. Keep some syrup on the side for this one. I put powdered dyes in this and let it expand for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is the outcome for it. It's really cool art, it just takes time. You need green, blue, pink, some red glitter, and gold. Mix this really well. That red's gonna take a lot of mixing. But once you get it, it kind of turns into like a yellowish, mixture. Mix those sides, You'll need some yellow, some purple, some blue, some green, some glitter, some pink, some red, and some orange. Mix the colors at the top first to make a nice base up there, and then we're gonna streak the other colors in and leave some of that orange in there so you can get something like this.